हेलो एवरीवन, मैं हूँ शालिनी अग्रवाल एंड वेलकम टू मार्केट डेस्क वेल्थ मैनेजमेंट। इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे वीकली मार्केट राउंडअप्स और कुछ ऐसे इवेंट्स जो आने वाले वीक में मार्केट में मोमेंटम दिखा सकते हैं। तो सबसे पहले बात करते हैं टाटा ग्रुप्स की। टाटा ओन टाइटन बीट्स Q2 profit व्यू ऑन स्ट्रॉन्ग ज्वेलरी डिमांड। Jeweler and watchmaker Titan Company on Friday reported a bigger than expected second quarter profit, aided by the strong sales of its Tanishq gold jewelry. Titan, a joint venture between the Tata Group and Tamil Nadu Industrial Development Corp, said its profit for the second quarter ended September 30 was up 9.7% at 9.40 billion rupees, beating analyst average expectation of 8.47 billion rupees per LSCG data. New Delhi, world's most polluted city again. A thick layer of toxic haze choked New Delhi on Friday, and some schools were ordered closed as the air quality index plummeted to the severe category. New Delhi again topped a real-time list of the world's most polluted cities compiled by Swiss group IQ Air, which put the Indian capital's air quality index or AQI at 640, which is the most hazardous category, followed by 335 in the Pakistani city in Lahore. Air India to add 400 flights for winter schedule. Tata-owned Air India's network will gain over 400 weekly flights over the next few months, split equally between domestic and international flights. Moreover, it will induct over 30 wide-body and narrow-body aircraft to its fleet during the winter season. Let's move towards some international news. Apple breaks revenue records in India. CEO Tim Cook calls it an extraordinary market. Apple CEO Tim Cook expressed his happiness with the company. US stocks close higher as Treasury yields fall after weak jobs data. Wall Street's main stock index rallied on Friday as bond yield fell sharply after data showed signs of slowing US jobs growth and an uptick in unemployment, boosting hopes that the Federal Reserve is done with its interest rate hiking campaign. The Labor Department report showed non-farm payrolls increased by 150,000 jobs in October, much less than expected 180,000 increase, partly due to strikes at Detroit's big three automakers. आज के लिए बस इतना ही। ऐसे ही स्टॉक से रिलेटेड न्यूज़ एंड अपडेट्स के लिए कीप फॉलोइंग मार्केट डेस्क। और अगर अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो डू लाइक, कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल एंड हमें अपना फीडबैक कमेंट सेक्शन में देना ना भूलें।